We've been on an amazing journey across the country, building a nationwide movement. So far, 5 small towns have received a major revitalization boost.
Paige Turner is leading an all-star team with Russell Holmes, Carmine Sabatella, and Mike Powell.
Yes.
Continuing the momentum of this incredibly ambitious cross-country project.
Oh my God.
This is Hometown Kickstart.
Here on the left.
Right here?
Yep, this is the one.
Cute.
If you had no holds barred, what would it be in this kitchen?
Definitely more cabinet space, more open space.
There's a lot we can do to add space. We can remove the closet bump out of the other room, add open shelves, new custom cabinets, and beautiful handmade epoxy countertops. We can conceal the washer and dryer under a new extended counter. Today we're installing the kitchen cabinets. We're gonna add a counter where everything is just completely custom. And off-site, we're working on gorgeous epoxy countertops that are super scratch resistant.
It's just going to be a very high-end looking white marble that you're really going to struggle to find anywhere other than with an epoxy countertop.
We really want to thank the Counterintelligence Group for coming out and helping us with this special project and helping us kickstart things. We are so excited to have the bar top that's going to be in the restaurant, Go Fresh, and even the countertop that's going to be in our residential home. Seeing the artistry and seeing how much work and love is put into this. I just really appreciate you guys so much and can't wait to work with you guys again soon.
I absolutely love it. Yeah! That's amazing.
All right, y'all. Welcome to Philip's Kitchen.
Oh, man.
Yes, this is beautiful.
How did y'all do this? So open now.
You have a little counter here.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is beautiful. It's beautiful.
So the footprint of the kitchen we couldn't change. But being able to enclose the washer and dryer, now you have even more space adding the countertop.
This is an epoxy countertop.
Beautiful.
And this is durable. This can resist heat, staining. I mean, it's amazing, and it's gorgeous.
Yeah, it looks like marble. This is amazing.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Every single inch of this kitchen pops.
I would have never imagined it looking this good.